So I can't make it sound quieter, but this is my new 2-in-1s. Well, not really new at this point, but my 2-in-1s sound quality when I'm recording. Sorry if you're at near full volume, because that really hurt my ears. But I just want to let you know how my recording alternatives. I might try the computer that I have currently, or the laptop that my brother is going to buy back once I have a stronger computer. But yeah. I am speaking as quiet as possible. I might even just try the built-in speaker microphone sometime to see if that's any better. Sorry about the static noises. I can't really edit those out. But yeah, I'm speaking quietly so that way I don't hurt your ears like I hurt my own. I will do a sound quality of this, and unfortunately I can't really change the sound quality of it. Not even YouTube helps me there. But, yeah. In 9 days, probably by the time anybody watches this, it'll be in 8 days, but on the 10th is my birthday. October 10. Just thought I'd let you know.